Haley says it's not on properly.
Yeah, because there's a...
Me buckle it wrong.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha now. So today I'm gonna do something I've never done before. Now if you know me, I am not a water girl, but surprisingly this entire summer so far I've been watering. I've been to the beach more than once. I've been to the pool. I've been to the beach. Yeah, I've just been watering, and today I'm going to be doing something I've never done before. I'm not telling you what. We will see. It's been a while. I've not made a video, but I'm making one today. Say hi, Judy.
Hi.
Say hi, Haley.
Hi.
All right. So you don't know it's Cindy No Limits, and stick with me and see what is up today. So we are here. I'm excited. I'm so excited. You don't know me, I eat a patty. A nice, warm Jamaican patty. So we're parking, and then we're gonna go. I'm still not telling you what it is that I'm doing. You have to watch and see. Boy. Okay, so I don't know if you have figured out what it is that we're gonna do yet. Are you ready?
Long time.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Hey. I think I am going down there, so I think we'll see. We'll see about it. We'll see about it. We'll see about it. Huh. Are you ready? Yes? Are you ready?
Born ready.
Ah.
Are you I don't know.
Everybody ready except me.
Ready. Come.
Listen,
You first.
reality.
We don't want to put it off.
Reality just struck in. I'm going.
No, they're not put that. Yeah, man. Yes,
Boy. So I'm putting my trust and faith in Captain Donald. Yeah. Mother. Captain Donald is responsible for me here. Okay. I'm going on this right here. All right. And there you have Miss Haley coming down to the raft. Go, Miss Haley. She's a mermaid, you know. She's not afraid. She's not afraid. Sit in the middle, Haley. Oh, at the front. Oh, Haley, you're sitting down there. Who is next? Julia, not take off her clothes. How long you going to take? Come. And then we have Sister Trudy coming down. Put this back on me. Or in front of me. Why? How safe is this?
100%.
100% safe?
Safer when you like that.
Safer than chair?
Safer when you like that.
Ooh. I'm nerving us.
You have to go find your raft.
You're not afraid like me?
No, sir.
Huh?
We just want.
I'm in a Havana none. Look at that. Eh? So they're going on there. So there you have it, Judy. Hi. Hi. Boy, let me relax my body. You don't want ya. Yeah. But I have to know. Rafting on the Rio Grande. Oh, oh, oh.
Hello.
Hello.
We were not in this.
Hi. Are we brave? Are we big madam bowl? So, I'm rafting on the Rio Grande. We are rafting on the Rio Grande. Oh. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Rafting on the Rio Grande. And look at me. I have come a far way. I am not wearing a life vest. Actually, then they behind we. But we're brave. We have none. But she can do a little thing, you know. You see, me can do nothing. Nothing to save my life.
Come on, back up.
Nothing.
Live where you vacate.
Yes. Come, big up the YouTube. Big up the YouTube. Big up the YouTube.
Hi, no limiters. Welcome to Cindy's Rafting Raftology.
Of course.
No, she's
she's
brave, so we're doing the talking today. Welcome to Rafting on the Rio Grande Cindy style.
Oh, all right. My style. And you can see that that is a fan. Yeah, because you know how the thing go. Cindy, no limits. You don't know. Hey, Mr. Play Brave, I put on the life vest because we seem to be going further and further out. So we put it on. Of course, just in case. Hey, listen, it's not on properly.
Yeah, because there's a...
My buckle it wrong.
Yes.
Okay. Watch out now. Let me take you off, yeah. Let me take you off. I don't know how to jump over it.
Back and forth. You carry and come back here.
Watch your foot, pretty girl. Watch your foot. Watch your foot. You have to keep your foot on the raft now, really.
What an experience this is for me, rafting down the Rio Grande.
Yeah, big song.
What an experience this is for me, rafting down the Rio Grande. Hey. So we take a pause after the raft and we are out here. Gonna get a beer, you know.
Nice strong drink here.
So we stop and getting something to drink.
Yeah. Supermodel.
Yeah. What a one. Thank you. I hear that. You can come down here with us, with your people them at night. Hey, I need to come down here at night with my people.
Eh? Sure.
I need to take the number to ring the captain.
Ring the captain. The captain will show up. Alright. So, I'm going to take your number.
Yeah.
So I can call you. I'm ready for come. Maybe next month, because next month's my anniversary. So,
Wow.
next month, tomorrow month. Yes. So, let me tell a friend now, you know. You're going to turn your face that way and keep it.
I will.
Lord of mercy. I'm just joking. I would never. On the water? I'm afraid. You're mad. And so we're going back on the raft to go up the Rio Grande. Yes, sir.
when me go swim, we take off it.
You going to swim? You're not lying this time? I never seen her to swim before. Yeah, I know, right?
Somebody get ice.
Not nice.
Get the overproof, the tonic one.
Come now. Everywhere with. I would have to do it. Why make the Gaza dance so happy?
When they do the White River rafting, they have boombox up play music.
It's good so far.
This is one of the more relaxing one. This one is the more relaxing.
It's very quiet. Yeah. It's going down nice and going up nice and slow.
Oh.
Introducing the new raft captain, Cindy No Limits. Ah, watch me. Taking them down the water. Bad Gaza, bad. Me did a great job, you know. See the man in relax, everybody, yeah. But still a house. Come if you go now.
Man, retire. Yeah, man. Say hi, guests. Raft captain, Cindy right there.
And so we have come to the end of our journey. We went up and now we're back down. But it was fun, wasn't it? Yeah.
One up door.
Yeah, like the sun. No normal. Nothing more than normal. So we are back up and about to come out. Take up your
I don't know. Okay.
Did you enjoy? Okay. Oh. So we're done. Done. And it was a lovely day. Bye. Say bye, Haley.
Perfect way to close off the summer.
Say bye, Trudy.
Bye.
She draw closer to me and said to me, yeah, wish this night was for